Yaadie. Hello everybody.
So guys, now for today's video, we're gonna put up our Christmas tree for the first day of Vlogmas.
Yeah man.
Yay!
So you can watch us live on, no?
Yeah guys, join us while we build this Christmas tree. It should be very interesting because we lost the stand of the Christmas tree.
Yes, you lost it. I didn't lose it, she lost it.
Why me?
Because you put everything in the cellar.
So guys, we basically created a flower spot filled with some gravel and stuff to hold up the Christmas tree. Hopefully that works and it's not a fail.
Hopefully.
And yeah, let me show you guys what we're working with. Oh god, that's the flower spot, the tree, and the ornaments. So let's get to doing, mommy. So guys, we're gonna attempt to put in the freaking Christmas tree in the gravel, and this is weird. I take a time on massage routine.
I'm putting massaging.
They're gonna work?
No.
I guess no Christmas tree for we are. Starting to feel a lot like Christmas.
Yeah.
Ahoy sango. Jingle bells,
Jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Weiter?
Feel like we are too early for some Christmas stuff. Guys, 2 years and not putting up our Christmas tree. We feel like
Yeah. We
a
need to
stranger
practice.
to this.
But you didn't want it. And so.
Just never in any mood. Too busy. No, too busy, but because of the whole thing we're growing, we're trying to keep the spirit alive.
Oh, du hast was vergessen. She forgot this. Guck mal. Ooh.
I want to do this summer, man.
Das kannst du auch machen. Guck mal. Ja. Hey people, how you like this? You can see it?
We have a Christmas tree from head up here.
Yeah, you look like one of them reindeer. So, können wir jetzt loslegen? Ich will jetzt anfangen.
Guys, we're trying lean. Pray for the tree. We're praying for the tree.
Ja, wir müssen mehr auf die eine Seite hängen, dann wird er da, ist gleich. Ne?
Dear
so
God.
equalize. you lose your balance.
Yeah.
Oh, not through this heavy thing on your head. The little moose.
No mayo moose.
No, you're Santa.
Guys, the tree lean till they can't lean no more.
Bethlehem.
Do we have more that's fast? What would you like to?
Let's have a pink. Maybe we put up the better.
Put that from somewhere here.
Oh, don't get big one. Oh, this way here. Oh. Das sieht schon mal ganz gut aus. Vielleicht will ich nicht so oder Ding da. Ich spitze das jetzt mal nach.
Then press a new button.
What kind of new button? Ooh. Ooh. Yay. Christmas is coming to town. You know, this one much einfacher zu schmücken than the real Christmas tree because the posts and them are so soft like. You know how much difficulties we have there work to get the decoration funny. Come here, I tell you. It's much
This
easier.
one rough too.
No,
because it's
just
stretched out on the
screen. You see a real one. You wait until you do a real one. There's a big difference.
No, I do not real one. You tell me say no good for the environment.
Yeah, but tell them that I work.
Work they want to do real deal.
Yeah, I tell you, them still go come, but they must come just shortly before Friday afternoon. That's everything so sensitive because by the time you put your ticket back down.
So a present from the front.
Yeah, yeah.
And the next little present. And a red present. And a yellow present.
They like a little drum them.
Would you most of them mash up in?
Yeah, but we just love them. I don't know why. I'm not sure them really.
Maybe we can't fix them.
Are you when you take it down, you just pull them off?
They're very old.
No.
We have them long time. We've lost one.
I don't make it sound so bad also you remind me how long we already there.
Guys, we have this Christmas tree from we move to Germany.
Oh God, yeah.
So some of the ornaments here, I give up for we.
I can imagine how long we there already.
Yeah.
Jeez.
7 Christmas this year.
Yes, home is Jamaica. Nobody will ever know.
Me know. What do you mean? Me know, I know, me know.
It's the sunshine except Outside we have now -1 degree. Can you imagine that? I know there are places are colder, but for me this is cold enough. When busy time you just go outside, put on your flip-flops. You don't need no socks. And all that deep jacket thing. That was hard.
So guys,
Yes, that was it. So much about we
so guys,
decorating our Christmas tree.
yeah, we did it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe,
And comment below. If you have any new ideas, let us know.
Yeah, what do you guys want to see from us for Vlogmas?
Yeah, like Crystal and her new hairstyle.
Guys, look at the thing. The finished product of our Christmas tree.
Do you like it? Crystal?
What do you think? Is it okay?
Did we do a good job? Do you like it?
Yeah, I
do you
think.
like our Christmas tree? Jingle bells, jingle rock.
Yeah, guys.
We did it!
A long time I put the battery, I forget what it looked like.
Oh,
Mommy, hold this. Let me make the top spirit now.
The what?
Hold it. Let me turn on the next light.
Which next light?
The next Christmas light. So guys, this is our living room slash my bedroom. That's why
it's not slash. It's your room.
My room.
I don't have a living room anymore.
No, there's still a eating table.
Yeah,
a couch.
Occasion get food. Yeah.
Excuse you. I always feed you.
No. That's so nice.
Yeah, guys. So that's a finished product. What do you think? So guys, come on video. Come here. The Joker. So guys, thank you all for watching us one more time. This is day 1 of Vlogmas.
Yes, and thank you for being so patient.
Yeah.
And putting up with us too, crazy ones.
Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe, and join the vlog. Adios.
Tschüss. Bye bye.
Ciao, ciao.
See you. Hasta la vista.
All right.
So how many outro and intro do you want?
Sun. Sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna make it somehow.